Imagine this. It's the year 2025. You've got a great idea for a business, or maybe you're already running one. But here's the catch. Your competitors seem to be scaling faster, working fewer hours, and pulling in bigger profits than you. The reason? They're not working harder, they're working smarter. And smarter in 2025 means one thing: AI tools. By the end of this video, you're not just going to know which AI tools are the hottest for business this year, but you'll also know exactly what they do, how they fit into your workflow, and how to use them to gain a competitive edge. Stick with me till the end, because I promise you this: the right AI tool in the right hands can save you thousands of dollars, countless hours, and maybe even your sanity. Now let's be honest for a second. AI tools are everywhere. Every week there's some new app claiming to revolutionize your business. You've probably seen ads saying, "Never work again, let AI run your company for you." And while most of that is marketing fluff, the reality is, there are tools that deliver, and when used correctly, they feel like superpowers. The challenge isn't finding AI tools, it's knowing which ones actually matter. And in this video, I've done the research for you, cut out the noise, and I'm giving you a clear roadmap. Think of it as your AI survival guide for 2025. Let's start with the most obvious category: productivity. In 2025, productivity isn't about working harder, it's about delegating to AI. Take ChatGPT 5, for example. If you thought ChatGPT 4 was impressive, version 5 feels like a complete upgrade. It doesn't just write emails or brainstorm blog posts anymore. It understands context at a deeper level, generates legal-style contracts, interprets data, and even works across text, images, and voice. Imagine having a personal assistant who never complains, never gets tired, and actually gets smarter the more you use them. That's ChatGPT 5 for business. Now let's talk about Notion AI. If your team lives in chaos with sticky notes, endless Slack messages, and scattered Google Docs, Notion AI feels like a lifesaver. You can dump messy meeting notes into it, and it instantly transforms them into clear action steps. It can summarize hours of team discussions into neat, digestible reports. It doesn't just keep you organized, it keeps everyone aligned. And if you've ever been part of a team where miscommunication costs time and money, you know how powerful that is. And then there's Jasper AI, which has become the go-to for businesses looking to scale their marketing without burning out their copywriters. Jasper doesn't just spit out generic ads. You can feed it your brand's voice and it adapts, creating blog posts, ad copy, and social campaigns that actually sound like you. For startups and small businesses especially, Jasper is like hiring a full marketing team, but at the cost of a single tool subscription. Marketing is where AI really shines, and in 2025, if you're still writing all your copy manually, you're probably falling behind. Tools like Copy.ai are designed to pump out high-quality ad copy, social media captions, and product descriptions at lightning speed. The magic is that it's not random text. It's optimized to grab attention, stop the scroll, and get clicks. Imagine launching an entire Instagram campaign in an afternoon instead of weeks of planning. Then you've got the SEO game changers, Surfer SEO and ClearScope. These tools use AI to break down exactly what Google wants from your content. Instead of guessing what keywords to include or how long your article should be, Surfer literally tells you, "Hey, top-ranking articles use this phrase this many times and cover these topics." It's like getting Google's answer key without having to bribe anyone. For businesses trying to build long-term organic growth, this is priceless. And here's where things get really futuristic: Synthesia. Imagine you need a training video for your employees or a promo ad for your product. Normally, you'd hire actors, rent equipment, and spend days editing. With Synthesia, you type your script, choose an AI-generated presenter, and boom! You've got a professional-looking video. You could be sitting in your pajamas and still roll out corporate-level video content. Businesses are saving thousands by switching to this kind of AI video production. Now let's talk about customer service. Because if there's one place businesses bleed money, it's support. Enter Intercom Fin AI. This tool handles the majority of your customer queries instantly, with a human-like tone that feels warm and personal. Instead of waiting 3 hours for a human rep, your customer gets an answer in 3 seconds. That kind of response time doesn't just save costs, it builds loyalty. Another one to know is Forethought AI. It works behind the scenes to help support teams solve tickets faster by predicting what the customer actually needs. Think of it as a co-pilot for your support staff. And for enterprises with massive customer bases, Cognigy AI is stepping up, powering entire voice and chat systems with natural-sounding interactions. If you've ever yelled, "Talk to a human" at a robot, you'll appreciate how far this technology has come. Of course, running a business isn't just about operations, it's about making the right decisions. And that's where tools like Tableau with Einstein GPT step in. You feed it data, and it doesn't just spit out charts, it gives you insights. It can literally predict trends, highlight opportunities, and warn you about risks. For decision makers, this is like having a crystal ball. Except, one backed by Salesforce. Zoho Zia is another gem, built into Zoho's CRM system. It analyzes customer data and sales pipelines, helping you forecast revenue and even predict when a lead is about to convert. It's like your sales pipeline got a brain transplant. And let's not forget the money side of things. QuickBooks AI has taken bookkeeping to a whole new level. Instead of drowning in receipts and spreadsheets, QuickBooks AI categorizes expenses, tracks income, and even flags potential cash flow issues before they become problems. Imagine your accountant being proactive instead of reactive. That's what this tool delivers. Brex Empower AI is helping companies manage their spending in real time. You can set rules, catch overspending, and keep your financial health in check without having to chase employees down for receipts. And Gong.io, which has become the darling of sales teams, listens to sales calls and gives you actionable feedback. It doesn't just tell you what went wrong, it tells you how to close more deals. For businesses that live and die by sales performance, this is gold. So here's the big truth. These tools are powerful, but tools alone won't save your business. It's how you use them that makes the difference. By now, you've got a clear roadmap of the best AI tools for business in 2025, from productivity and marketing to customer service and finance. And while most people are still overwhelmed by the flood of AI apps, you've got the advantage of knowing which ones actually matter. Now tell me in the comments, which AI tool are you most excited to try this year? Because the businesses who adapt early are the ones who thrive. And if this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe to Future AI, and stick around, because I'll keep bringing you the tools that actually work, not the hype. Remember, in 2025, the businesses who master AI are the ones who win.